Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're talking about one of our favorite projects on the CNFT space, Boss Cat Rocket Club. They have been doing some insane things behind the scenes, and they have finally revealed what they've been up to. So as you can see here on Twitter, from Blue Magic himself, the CEO of BCRC, has given out this image. It looks like a mutant, it looks like an alien. No one knew at the time, but they have now confirmed these are aliens. This is a whole new collection coming from the BCRC team. However, this will be airdropped to its OG members. If you own a full rocket, you will get airdropped one of these alien NFTs. And if you are a top 1000 member of the OG CNFTs of Boss Cat Rocket Club, you will also be airdropped one of these bad boys. I'm just going to say the art looks absolutely fantastic. They have made this nice like infographic here. You can see it over on their Twitter. I'm going to leave all links down below for all the Boss Cat related stuff, but you can see a nice infographic. You can see all the beautiful NFTs in the background there. You've got your Vox cats, you've got your OG cats, you've got your now alien cats, the rocket ship and the land. So rewards and utility, I'm only going to read over the Boss Cat Alien Club, is not the calling it, and what you get with being a Boss Cat Alien Club owner. So daily token reward, you'll get 10 tokens per day with one of these NFTs, which if you guys have been watching my previous videos, which you can click up here to go to watch one of them, you'll learn that Boss Cat Rocket Club are bringing out their own token, which is going to be having massive utility within their game, and obviously play to win. A great way to survive this current bear market that we're all trying to survive in right now. So yeah, you'll be getting 10 tokens per day by owning a Boss Cat Alien Club. I've just had to zoom in there for you guys, but you'll also get a Boss Cat Rocket Club membership, Alpha Tier 1 membership, raffle tickets to win VOS collabs and raffle prizes. So if you guys have seen in my other videos as well, you'll know that Boss Cat Rocket Club have been reaching out and partnering up with different projects to create Vox collections for them. You've got like Lazy Llamas, you've got Adderpunks 3D, you've got stuff like that. So you get raffle prizes as well, which is obviously getting airdropped an insane amount of adder. This is going to be the rarest collection, I believe, is what they're trying to say here. That's one of the utilities. You are owning the rarest collection within the entire Boss Cat Rocket Club, and then there's going to be more utilities in the near future. So if we scroll back here on Twitter to June the 2nd, you can see they posted this image here. No one knew what it was. People thought it might be a mutant where you need to get like maybe a serum, you put your NFTs together and it creates this guy. But no, these are all aliens, all unique art. They look absolutely fantastic, and I just love how different they look from the OG ones. Still similarities, of course, to keep it within the brand, within BCRC, but they've done a fabulous job of keeping it its own unique art style as well, which is absolutely fantastic to see. When Boss Cat Rocket Club posted this, you can see how insane it did. It nearly did 1,000 likes and over 600 retweets. Loads of YouTubers, you've got Blockers Hot, you've got NFT Alpha, you've got Ultimate Warrior, you've got all these people making content on Boss Cat Rocket Club right as soon as this came out, because people were so hyped about what's going to happen with all this. And guys, I know I'm a bit late with all this content on Boss Cat Rocket Club. There's just been so much work in my life, and Boss Cat Rocket Club have just constantly been pouring out content, and it's hard to catch up. But today is the day you finally get to see all the updates. So if we move over quickly to their Discord, on the 23rd, you can see 23rd of May, you can see they made an announcement about a game they've been making in the background, and it's going to be a battle royale. It's going to be in the battle royale genre, and it tells you exactly what you're going to be able to get from this. So the game itself will be open to anyone, holder or not, so you don't have to hold any of their NFTs, which I think is fabulous. The games will run consistently on a 24/7 basis, starting each time a lobby reaches 14 players. So it's not a big massive game, but 14 players is enough to have fun with friends, to compete against other players. Nice quick matches, right? It does say here, once they have a decent amount of testing and things are going fine, they will most likely increase the number and the capacity of players, which is nice to see. So to join a game, each player will have to contribute a certain amount of boss token. That's the tokens you earn. That game's pot, which will be vary depending on the game settings set by the host. 80% of the pot will go to the winner of the game as soon as it ends, while 20% of all pots will be evenly distributed to full rocket owners at the end of each month. So there's some utility there. So if you are the winner of the game, you're going to get 80% of all the shares that everyone's contributed, which is going to be amazing, I think, depending on what the host sets it as. And then if you are a rocket owner, you're going to be getting 20% of all the pots, right? You're getting passive income here if you're a Boss Cat Rocket Club rocket owner, which I think is great to see. They have posted some more information regarding the Voxcats and what the world might look like a little bit, but this is very, very early on stages. This is way before any alpha testing, anything like that. And if you don't know what alpha testing is the very, very start of the testing phase, I guess, where players can come on and test it themselves. The game is not complete, there's going to be bugs, all that type of stuff. But in this video I'm about to show you, you can see what the jetpacks are going to be like in the game, which I think is very fascinating to see. So nice and sweet there, a bit of a teaser of what the jetpacks are going to be. You won't be able to fly without a jetpack, so there's only a limited supply of jetpacks on the Vox collection. So if you are wanting to pick one up, it is a bear market right now, things are cheap, you can sweep the floor, you can buy as many as you want, that type of stuff. Maybe flip it in the future, who knows, whatever you want to do, but they look pretty cool in my opinion. And as Blue Magic says here, there will only ever be less than 1,300 jetpack Voxcats. So guys, it is a very, very limited supply of NFTs with a jetpack. And some more information regarding the other collabs that we've been doing with Bosscat Rocket Club, where they've been partnering up with Lazy Llamas to make their own Vox collections and so on. They are very close to releasing them and uniting our communities. In each case, we will mint 10 to 20% of the collection supply to offer as a free claim to the community, and this will start very soon. So this is just another thing that Blue Magic and the Bosscat Rocket Club team are giving us, the community, us, the staff members, us just as a massive Bosscat Rocket Club family, another thing that we're just going to be able to get given for free. This, you're probably thinking, where's the demand? There's too many different things going on in the ecosystem of Bosscat. Yes, but no. You've got to think, right? They're bringing in other collections, different communities into the Bosscat Rocket Club ecosystem, which is just going to drive up the price for all their projects. You've got like the Voxcat Lazy Llamas. If you're airdropped one of them, you're going to be able to flip it or keep hold of it. It might be worth something in the long run, especially when Lazy Llamas seems like it's going to be a project that's going to be around here for a very, very long time. So you might be able to see the price increase depending on each project and how they perform. And this is going to start happening within the next 30 days. And this was sent 2 days ago. So within the next 30 days or so, guys, so it's going to start getting airdropped to some of the OG Bosscat holders, which I think is absolutely amazing. So before we end this video, guys, let's just go over some of the art of the Alien Collection, because the Alien Collection, to me, I think it's going to be absolutely explosive during this bear market that we've got going on right now. I think it's going to be one of the biggest things on the Cardano space. Just, they look absolutely insane. Think of the OG NFTs as the Bored Ape Yacht Club, and then you've got these as the Mutant Ape Yacht Club, except these are going to be a lot more rare, so who knows which one might do better than the other. We're not sure just yet. So this one is the, I guess, the OG, the very first one that got our eyes' attention. This is the very first one they posted. It looks absolutely incredible. Here is the second one, which as soon as this one came out, to me, I thought it was an alien right off the bat. This one I wasn't too sure, kind of looked like a mutant, but this one confirms it. Basically, it looks like an alien, doesn't it? So there we are. Then we've got two here. This one looks insane as well. Kind of looks like an elder type Bosscat. This one looks like a more mutated one, but with alien different things as well. Looks absolutely insane. I love the colors on this one. This one kind of looks, I don't even know how to describe this one, like a black hole type alien Bosscat thing. And then this one is possibly my favorite one. I love that there's something popping out his shoulder. He's got the gas mask, you've got his teeth, you can see it's kind of a floating type skull thing inside the helmet. I think this one looks absolutely incredible, and I definitely hopefully get airdropped this one. So yeah guys, that's the video today. Nice and short and sweet and quick. I want to get these updates as quick as I can to you guys. Bosscat Rocket Club are doing insane things. They always do. They always impress me. They always impress the CNFT space. There's so many people who keep hating on this project. I don't understand it, because they are bringing amazing things out and they are collabing with awesome projects and just making it the best project they possibly can in the Cardano space. I am a bit biased because I am on the team, but I absolutely love them all. They're so great to me. You know, I try my best and help them out as much as possible as well. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to hit the subscribe button as well. I'm going to be posting all kinds of stuff just like this one. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.